Imitahan ka ba nila sa hearing?
Bakit sila galitan doon man ako?
Yung sa Congress.
Sa Quadcom.
Sa Quadcom.
Not sa Senate.
House of the
Sa Quadcom na.
Representative.
Hindi sa Senate, sa Quadcom.
Mga congressman.
Kasi inibitahan ka daw pero Attorney Delgra.
Galit sila?
Galit sila kasi hindi ka daw sumipot.
Hindi ka daw sumipot.
Sinong galit sa akin?
Yung nagsabi si Abante at saka yung si Dan Fernandez at saka si Ray.
Sipain ko sila, sabihin mo. Tangina.
Remember, Mr. Chairman, that we have already sent 2 invitations. This is the second hearing that we invited the former president. And the first invitation was answered by Attorney Delga, no, for on behalf of the president, in the absence of that authority being requested by this committee through this representation during the last hearing. Now, Mr. Chairman, looking at the answer, looking at the reply of Attorney Delga on the first hearing, well, in fact, Mr. Chairman, naglulukuhan tayo dito. Why? Why? Because the first reply made by Attorney Delga representing the former president is that the excuse is that the former president needs much rest, and assured this committee that he will be present in the next hearing. At the same time, he has a specific date, Mr. Chairman, given to this committee through this letter, after November 1. And let me read, Mr. Chairman, allow me to read in toto the portion of such reply coming from Attorney Delga. Hence, my client respectfully requests to defer his appearance before the Honorable Committee scheduled tomorrow. Rest assured of my client's willingness to appear before the House of Representatives on some other available date, preferably after November 1, 2024. And for the record, Mr. Chairman, the invitation that was sent to the former president and was answered by Attorney Delga was before the presence of the former president in the Senate. And he has promised us, this committee, through his letter, that after November 1, he will be present in today's hearing. Ano to? Naglulukuhan tayo dito? Well, in fact, I will not discuss and argue with our colleague, Congressman Kit Flores, with regards to the content of this second letter. But, malinaw po, Mr. Chairman, na naglulukuhan tayo dito. Naglulukuhan tayo dito because the first letter promised us that he will be present after November 1. Kung hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito, eh ano? Natatakot siya? Na pumunta dito? That's why, Mr. Chairman, that's why my first motion was to issue a show-cause order for Attorney Delga to answer both letters. And, Mr. Chairman, and I would like to reiterate once again that we should invite again the former president to be present in the next hearing.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Paduano.
Mr. Chair.
As I promised, Congressman Fernandez,
Yes.
and then we will rule on the motion.
Okay. Mr. Chairman,
Congressman Aco.
Mr. Chairman, there are 3 reasons mentioned by Attorney Delgra in consultation with the former president para hindi po siya umattend ng ating pong hearing. First, binanggit po niya yung pangalan ko at binanggit niya yung pangalan ni Chairman Abante. Nag-prejudge na po kami doon sa mga binanggit niya po doon sa Senado, and citing some provision of Republic Act 9851, particularly Section 6 on the willful killing. And with this, Mr. Chairman, we are being accused that nabahidan ng prejudgment yung mga issue that he mentioned. With that, Mr. Chairman, para lang po mawala na tong issue to, again, Mr. Chairman, I'm willing, this representation is willing to inhibit myself in asking questions with regards to this willful killing. And I hope that my co-chair here, Chairman Abante, will do the same in relation to the first issue that the former president, with consultation of his lawyer, cited in this letter. Secondly, that's the reason why we asked the presence of Colonel Grijaldo to be here, because he accused us of coercion and harassment and threats. And that's the reason why we are questioning, no, yung mga medical certificate that he submitted to this Congress. We wanted that the integrity of this Quadcom will be cleared eventually. And with that, Mr. Chairman, eradicating the coercion and harassment and the threats that he accused us, then the reason for the President not to attend on this Quadcom will be eliminated. Thirdly, Mr. Chairman, the only last reason that he mentioned in this letter is all the questions were already answered in the Senate. And that is not true, because we have a lot of 20,000 questions that we wanted to ask him. And with this, Mr. Chairman, yung pong reason niya for not to be here is not acceptable. So, Mr. Chairman, I believe that my position, no, in trying to inhibit ourselves, in this investigation pertaining to the number one issue that he mentioned, and also with the issue of Colonel Grijaldo, we will comply with the mandate of this Quadcom to inhibit ourselves and be a part of the resource persons that will be questioned by the members of this Quadcom. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. President, parang galit yata ang Quadcom na hindi mo daw sinipot ang hearing. Inimitahan ka ba nila sa hearing?
Bakit sila galitan doon man ako?
Yung
Sa Congress.
Congress
Sa
Mayor.
Quadcom.
Sa Quadcom.
Not sa Senate.
House of the
Sa Quadcom
Representative.
Hindi sa Senate, sa Quadcom.
Mga congressman.
Kasi inimbitahan ka daw pero Attorney Delgra.
Galit sila.
Galit sila kasi hindi ka daw sumipot.
Hindi ka daw sumipot.
Sinong galit sa akin?
Yung nagsabi si Abante at saka yung si Dan Fernandez at saka si Ray.
Sipain ko sila, sabihin mo. Tangina. Pera nila. Wala na akong pera eh. At pamasahe ako doon. I am living on my retirement pay. I never, kayo taga Davao kayo, lakin tayo, magkababata tayo dito. Wala akong extra money na sa bangko na lahat sweldo ko yan, pati yung retirement ko. Sila pa ang galit ngayon. Buang.
At sinabi pang ipakuntim ka daw.
Sige daw.
Si Paduano nagsabi kaniha lang. Sa,
Sino?
Paduano.
Yung Congressman Paduano.
Congressman Paduano.
Kasi
Sino yung unggoy na yan?
yung taga saan yan. Kasi yung actor na yan, si Dan
Nakakulong sa lahat
Fernandez,
ng mga
Abante at saka
resource
Paduano.
person. Yan yun ang nag-contempt sa lahat.
You don't scare me a bit. Galing na ako pagka-presidente, huwag nila akong ganunin. Galing na ako sa Congress. Nag-mayor ako, nag-congressman ako, nag-presidente na ako. Do not give me that shit. Sabihin mo ka rin.
Totoo bang may impartiality na kita mo ngayon, Mayor?
Wala man siguro, but alam mo, actually, wala, in fairness to the idiots, wala akong notice na pupunta ako ngayon.
Wala na yan.
Sabihin mo nga sa hindot na yan.
Pero si Attorney Delgra Mayor nagbigay ng parang reply sa summon or sa na binigay ng
So what was
Quadcom.
his reply?
Kasi nalagay sa na si according to Attorney Delgra na yung ginawa mo sa Senado pwede nilang kukunin kung gusto nila na imbitahan
Ano na
ka.
sinabi ko? What is there to say or more to what I have said? Na sinabi ko naman lahat. Ano pa ba ang gusto ng mga gago?
May balita, Mayor, na ang ICC prosecutor sa dito na doon sa Pilipinas.
ICC?
Yes.
Ang kilala kong ICC is Immaculate Conception. Sabihin mo, ikaw sabihin mo sa ICC, I'm addressing to the ICC. Pumunta kayo dito at bibitayin ko dyan sa Akasya. Luo nila.
ibang issue.
Pwede daw magbigay ang Senate ng transcript ng statement,
Yes, statement
mo doon sa
mo sa
ICC.
Senate hearing.
They will do that.
Well, it's up to them. I mean, are you posing a question or are you informing me?
Yeah.
We're informing you that they are
Giving all the
giving all the,
transcript.
they will give the transcript out to ICC. It's a possibility.
Well, go ahead. Be my guest.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if in case the Quadcom
Hindi na ako presidente. Rudy Duterte.
Mayor,
Rodrigo Duterte, if in case the Quadcom will invite you, bigyan ka nilang ng pamasahe, are you still willing to?
Tira. Bahala na kayo dito.
Let's go back to, you said,
Quadcom. You're saying Quadcom? What about Quadcom?
Kasi sabi mo, mahirapan ka na magpunta doon sa Manila, sila na yung bababa dito at para lang mapasama ka sa
Well,
investigation.
not in the strictest sense actually, but you know, I'm getting old. Every day, I'm aging. Hindi na ako kasing yung stamina ko.
Yeah.
At saka yung eroplano kasi, I said, I was once a pilot. Yung taas, kita mo yung mga piloto, pati yung mga flight stewardess, the age almost 5 or 7 years ahead of us.